Pet sa Di Peligro Survival Kit. Yung 500 mo, aabot pa kaya hanggang next payday?
Ay, bestie, huminga ka muna. Alam ko, random mo na yung stress through the screen.
Yes!
Happy New Year pa ba? Kasi parang Happy New Fear na ang nararamdaman ko pagbukas ko ng wallet ko. Today, official ng simot ang 13th month pay. Agoy!
Oh no!
Ang next sweldo, 1 week, quincenas, 2 weeks from now, and so many days of survival mode. Welcome to Life's Hard Let's Color.
Yummy.
Today, we are not just coloring shapes, we are coloring our literal survival map.
What?
This is the Pet sa Di Peligro Decision 3. Susunod! So yun na nga, bestie. I'm starting with the start node right here sa taas. The question is simple, pero masakit. May 500 pesos ka pa ba sa wallet? Nakadong, be honest. Walang judgment dito. Kasi nung December, ang dami nating ganap, di ba? Deserve ko to. Minsan lang naman. Bonus naman eh. Ayan. Ngayon, yung bonus mo, naging bawas na. So why this is critical? Kasi according to the news, tumaas na naman ang presyo ng kamatis,
What?
itlog, langis ngayong linggo. So yung 500 pesos mo, nakadong, hindi na siya kasing layo ng nararating dati. Pero may nagsabi na kasya pa rin daw for Noche Buena. Nakadong. So, let's trace the path. Option A, yes, may 500 pa. Option B, no, below 500 or coins na lang.
Oh no!
Dito muna tayo sa no. Kasi alam ko marami sa inyo, ito ang reality.
Yes.
If you have less than 500 pesos for 4 days, bestie, nasa red zone na tayo dong. Okay, ang next question sa flowchart natin ay, may laman pa ba ang pantry o ref?
Yummy!
If you say yes, you are safe-ish. Pero may rule tayo this week. Bawal ang maorte dong. Di know na nagmahal ng kamatis sa QC Market?
What?
Nasa 220 per kilo na daw. So kung magpaplano kang magsarsyado or minudo,
Yes!
abort mission dong. Here is a legit life hack nobody talks about. The Munggo strategy. So isang lutuan ng munggo, pwede mong ulam for 3 days.
Yummy!
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Lagyan mo lang ng chicharon na tag 50.
Yes!
Huwag ka na mag-pork cubes. Yung sabaw ang mahalaga. Ito yung tinatawag nating volume eating. Totoo to. Busog ka, mainit ang sabaw, pero ang cost per meal mo nasa 30 pesos lang. Now, what if no? Walang laman ng ref. Dito na papasok yung branch na may office mate ka pa bang may utang na loob sa'yo? Uy, seryoso to. Check your messages. Did you cover someone's shift last month?
Yes!
Did you treat someone nung Pasko?
Yes!
Now is the time to activate the Huy Bes, kamusta? Card. Pero dong, huwag kang maniningil ng pabalang. The flowchart says, soft lunch strategy lang. Invite them to lunch sa pantry, tapos magdala ka ng extra rice, baka ililibre ka ng ulam. Or better yet, kung work from home ka, stay home. Intermittent fasting is free. So let's go back up. Paano kung kailangan mong pumasok sa office? The question here is it walkable? With the current jeepney fares and the heat, nako, if it's less than 2 kilometers, walk it. Exercise na rin. Pero if you really need to ride, here's the rule for this week. No joyride, no angkas unless late ka na. Why? Kasi yung 150 na booking mo, budget na yan for 3 meals sa karinderya. At yun na nga, kung nag-yes ka sa 500 pesos at may pera ka, akala nyo safe kayo no? Ito ang trap zone. Usually, pag may konti pa tayong pera, nagiging complacent tayo. Sasabihin mo, may 500 pa. Pwede pang mag-coffee dong. Stop. The logic here is, emergency fund muna bago luho. Yung 500 mo, yan ang cushion mo just in case magkasakit ka or may biglang bayarin bago mag-Thursday or sa next payday.
Yes.
Huwag mong i-convert into sugar and caffeine. Mag-office coffee ka muna. Tiisin mo yung lasa ng 3-in-1 dong.
Okay.
And finally, the last node before the finish line, payday. The question is, did you use SPay later or credit card?
Yes!
If you survive this week by swiping, bestie, hindi ka nanalo. You just delayed the pain to next month. Ang tawag dyan, revenge spending in advance. The goal of this flowchart isn't just to survive until the next payday, it's to survive without digging a new hole. So tignan nyo itong chart natin. Ang daming pula at orange, di ba?
Yes.
It looks chaotic, pero at least may plano tayo. If you're currently eating siomai rice while watching this, I'm proud of you. Kapit lang. Next payday malapit na rin naman. Don't forget to like and subscribe if naramdaman nyo yung Pecha de Peligro vibes.
Yes.
Anong ulam nyo ngayon? Team Munggo? Team Itlog? Paki-comment na at i-engage.